So I was putting this fascia board up and I came up with a helpful solution to a problem in the back here. Actually, there's two helpful hints here. One, air nailer or screw gun so that you can hold with one hand and put the nails or screw in with the other. And the second is bowed fascia board. This one was bowed pretty bad, so this last half right here fit pretty good. Then it took off downhill from there. So I put this in, I put 1, 2, 3 nails in that to hold it in place. I came over here, I tried to manhandle it up there and then put a nail in it, but I couldn't push all the bow out of it that way. So I made up this little rig, and the reason I've got this longer board here on the bottom is because I have to put this at an angle for a start. And if I put it at an angle from just that block right there up here and then slide across here, it would have scratched up all my paint because I pre-painted these before putting them up there so I don't have to paint on the ladder. And I didn't want to scratch up all the paint on the bottom of it. So I put it in that one place, put this long piece of board and slid it across that to take up the slack, and that forced that up. And while that was holding it, I got the old ball stitch up there and bam, bam. I can give this the good old foot sweep. And she's up there, stuck. I just put a couple more nails in and the fascia board's on. Be ready for drip edge. And if you're ready to see more, press the link in the corner to our playlist.
In the next video, I'll be cutting the triangular pieces of the siding to go up in the gables and installing them up there. I'll put a link to that in one corner. In the other corner, I'll put a link to our playlist so you can watch the entire build from ground up. Floors, walls, roof and all.